Hey Anna, what are you doing over here?
I'm standing in the shade.
Yeah?
It's hot.
It is?
It's hot in the sun. Right, June? Mm-hmm. Too darn hot.
The wave? Yeah.
How's that hat, Anna?
It's good.
Yeah.
Too hot though.
I think there's a lag in this.
We're like, whoa, we got it! But
That's
it
cool.
just like tacoed.
Good, hot, Becky?
Yes.
It's good, June. It's perfect. It's only this deep in the middle.
Okay. That's like
Okay, put that foot down. Sock is pretty muddy.
hands up. Hands up.
Good. That last spot. We open our eyes. Dave and I have some unfinished business.
This is where we're camping. And David and I are bringing some tamarisk over to make the fire so that we can heat up the burritos that Marco made for us. And it's going to be sunset. It's very pretty.
Flight of the Conchords.
No.
Did you guys ever watch that?
I haven't.
They're from New Zealand.
Should. I know.
You have to keep on looking that way.
Seen bits and pieces, but
Yeah.
not enough to.
The first season we watched, right? Or did we watch like
the first season.
the second one? Maybe
wasn't
we only
as
watched some of it.
Yeah.
The first one we laughed pretty hard. And there's one song about being a part-time model.
You're so beautiful.
You could be part-time.
So June, where are we?
In the desert.
In the desert. Why are we here?
To camp.
The camp? What did we do yesterday?
We went to the river
Went to the river. Why did we go to the river?
to make chocolate milk.
To make chocolate milk. Was it successful?
No,
No, why not?
because this chocolate milk leaked.
Oh, it leaked.
And we barely could get it.
Barely could get it. Yeah, it's hard, huh? David had to go get it
Yeah.
in the mud.
And his feet got all dirty.
They got all dirty. Is that true, Dave?
I think I remember you telling.
Your feet get all dirty?
From what?
Getting the chocolate milk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exfoliated.
It's good. And what did we do earlier in the day?
We set up camp.
What did Daddy do?
Daddy set up camp.
What about before that? In the morning.
Before the river,
Yeah, before in the morning. What did he do? Your
we
dad.
played a game.
He played a game. No, before that.
We ate breakfast.
What about after that?
We
Did Daddy go running?
Daddy went running.
Running? Yeah. Why was he doing that?
And so, because he had a half marathon.
Oh, cool. And how did Daddy do?
Good. He got fourth place.
First place?
Fourth.
Oh, fourth. That's awesome.
Really?
That's
Nice.
really good.
That's good.
Say bye-bye, June.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.